We're back, and today I'll be sharing some newness with you guys from the lip bar. Before we get into it though, did you know that you could get monies off using my code? My code will pop up on the screen here. All you have to do is use that at checkout. So today we're gonna be trying some of their new products. They just came out with just a tint which is a tinted moisturizer. I've already shared with you guys their concealer, but I did get a new shade, so I'm gonna show you guys that. And then also they came out with lip care, which lip bar lip care, so I'm gonna be reviewing that for you guys. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I have my primer down, so I'm just like, my skin is looking good. And if you're new here, I have a really problematic skin. My skin has been shot to hell before, but it's looking so much better. This is called the Pamper Your Palette Lip Care Kit. So you have a Rockstar scrub and then a juicy lip serum. I just have a bit of the scrub out. Microfine sugar crystals, sweet almond oil, designed to exfoliate and moisturize. It smells really nice. I really like that. If you have heavy duty chapped lips, I would say skip this. I don't really care for that scrub. It doesn't really do much. I feel like it's mostly like oil, which is like good for moisture, but like as far as scrubbing, if you feel like you really need to get something off your lips, I don't think that's gonna do it for you. And then you have this serum, which it doesn't really look like a serum. It looks more like a balm. That feels nice. Just a tint. This is a 3-in-1 tinted skin conditioner. It has SPF 11 and hyaluronic acid in it. I have the shade Chocolate Chip. Let's go ahead and shade match her really fast. Chocolate Chip, boom. For the lip bar, one thing that's really convenient about their foundation and concealers is like they all have like a family, so you kind of know which foundation and concealer match together. Off the bat, I will say this is pretty decent coverage. It says just a tint, but it's giving me like medium buildable coverage if you wanted it to be. So for like a skin, like this is basically like a tinted moisturizer. This is giving me really good coverage. I really like this. Yeah, I feel like for day to day, if I was wearing this, I would definitely go a shade lighter. So if you're my shade, whatever the next shade down is from Chocolate Chip, I would probably go with that because this is like a little dark. Moving on to concealers, you guys, I usually mix 2 different concealers. I always just like to layer 2 different shades. I feel like it looks better. I have the 5 o'clock Mocha and 4 o'clock Cinnamon. And I had the shade Cinnamon before, but it was just a little bit too light, so I could really only use it like right here in the inner corner, but I like the formula so much that I went back and got Mocha. It's just very dark, and I'm trying to save this look, so I'm not even gonna go in with the other lip bar concealer. I'm just gonna go in with, this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Hazelnut. Yes, right on top of that, because like that didn't give me, for concealer I like brightening. We're done, we're clearly done. So yeah, that's my look. So the Pamper and Palette lip kit, it's decent. I want to say this is about $11, so it's not gonna break the bank. I would say if you're looking for a scrub that's really gonna get in there, like super exfoliate your lips, this isn't the scrub. It's more like of an oil moisturizing thing that just has like some granules of sugar in there versus something that's really gonna scrub your lips. It's just like a really super light exfoliation. So if your lips are just like a little chapped, a little crusty, she's the girl for you. And then the lip serum, she's more of like a lip balm. She, like, when I picture a serum, I think of like face serums or like watery. I was kind of excited for that. But she's more of like a balm, but she works just fine. I had her on the whole time I was doing my makeup. So for the skin tint, for the price, you get really good coverage out of her. Also to mention that she has SPF and hyaluronic acid, so she has skin benefits as well. Day to day, if I was still going to work, I would probably wear this because it's so light feeling, like it doesn't feel like I have foundation on my face, and I would probably go a shade down. This is a shade Chocolate Chip. What I am waiting for from the lip bar, and I feel like we're gonna get it soon, you guys, I just feel it, is a setting powder. Lastly, I've already reviewed these before, but since I've used them for a little bit longer, I want to like give a more in-depth review because that was just like a first impression. So I have two shades here. This is Mocha and Cinnamon. I don't know how I feel about one size fits all concealers. We're used to having the full range of shades now, and now these only come in 6 shades. Between Mocha and Cinnamon, I feel like this is a big jump. Maybe I'm crazy, and maybe I'm used to, like I said, a very wide range of concealers because that's what most brands try to aim for today, but it's a big jump. And I feel like the concealers, most of them have a really neutral to cool tone, which makes sense if you're trying to make a product that fits a wide shade range. I like more of like a warmer honey orangier concealer. That's it. That's my review of the newest lip bar products, you guys. If you want to see this whole face, stay tuned here on the channel. I'm gonna have a full tutorial going up. This is like my go-to never fail makeup formula of how I do my makeup, so that'll be going up soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and like I mentioned before, if you are interested in trying lip bar products, you can use my code to get money off when you check out. So what better way to try some new products and get a discount on them? Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.